let's have a quick listen to that. I really like how that's coming through. Let's turn it off. And that's minus 11.2. And what it's doing is it's adding harmonics and saturation to make it sound like it's a bit louder. With the decapitator, I mess around with the drive, give a bit of drive, the tone, and look for the frequency, whether it's the bottom or the top of it I want to do. But what we've also done is we've kind of reduced the peak level by 2 dB. And as you'll find out in my other course, this is going to give you the headroom to make your track a lot louder. Do we want a distorted kick in this kind of track? I don't know. Let's have a listen to it in context. So what that's doing there, it's saturated, but what it's doing is it's making it, you know, the actual volume, peak volume, 2 dB lower, but it sounds louder and the bottom's got more energy and bigger.